In this video, I'll guide you through how to display Microsoft To Do on your desktop so you can keep your tasks visible and easy to access while you work. First, let's start with getting the app itself. On your Windows PC, go down to the taskbar and click on the Microsoft Store icon. If you don't see it pinned there, you can also open the Start menu and type Microsoft Store, then select it from the results. Once the Microsoft Store is open, move to the search bar at the top and type Microsoft To Do. Press enter and you should see the Microsoft To Do app appear in the list of results. Click on the Microsoft To Do app to open its store page. Here, you'll see a description, screenshots, and an install or get button. Go ahead and click that button to download and install the app on your computer. The download may take a moment depending on your connection, so just wait for it to finish. When it's done, the button will change to open. Click open to launch Microsoft To Do right away. If this is your first time using the app, you'll be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. This is important because it lets your tasks sync across devices like your phone and your computer. Take a moment to sign in, and once you're done, you'll see the main Microsoft To Do window with your task list on the left and your tasks on the right. Now, let's make sure Microsoft To Do feels like part of your desktop. First, pin it to your taskbar for quick access. With the app open, look at its icon on the taskbar, right-click it, and choose Pin to Taskbar. This way, even after you close it, you can reopen it with a single click. To really keep your to-do list visible while you work, you can adjust how the window sits on your screen. Drag the Microsoft To Do window to the side of your screen until you see a transparent outline, then release it to snap it to that side. You can keep your main work, like your browser or documents, on the other side. This gives you a split screen view so your tasks stay on screen all the time. If you want it to feel more like a permanent part of your desktop, you can resize the window to a narrow column and position it along the edge of your screen. Just hover over a corner or edge of the window until you see the resize cursor, then click and drag to adjust the size. Make it slim enough that it doesn't get in your way, but wide enough that you can read your tasks comfortably. You might also want Microsoft To Do to start automatically when you sign into Windows, so your list is always just a click away. To do that, open the Start menu, search for Microsoft To Do, then right-click the app and choose Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click the Microsoft To Do shortcut and copy it. Now open the Run dialog by pressing the Windows key and R together, type Shell Startup and press Enter. Paste the shortcut into this startup folder. The next time you restart your computer, Microsoft To Do will launch automatically. By downloading Microsoft To Do from the Microsoft Store and setting it up this way, you'll have your tasks right on your desktop, ready whenever you need them.